Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Today we're going to see apartment 3P, a north-facing studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see your galley-style kitchen on the right with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and stove, and a full-size refrigerator. Continuing down the hall, we come to the large closet. Plenty of storage space in this apartment. On into the living area. Every studio has 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a bookshelf, a desk and desk chair, and a full-size bed. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let in lots of natural light. This apartment faces north, looking toward the Ithaca Commons. Every apartment has an air conditioner and a heating vent. Another great feature is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. Spacious bathroom with a full shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to a tour of Cityview 3P. Call us today for availability.